Morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome once again to Leverage SFS Academy. So, right now, I want to teach you guys two things about trading. Very important two things about trading. Once you are able to get a hold of it, you are going to have more success rate in your trading. So, say, firstly, the chart can move just two ways, okay? Just two ways, or let's say three ways. Three ways. The first way is that the price could be bullish. Price could be in an uptrend. What do I mean? Look at this. This is an uptrend, okay? This is an uptrend. So right now in this movement, BTC was in an uptrend all the way from 74,457. So now, how do you use the knowledge of the trend to make money? Now, looking at this chart, when BTC was in an uptrend, the only thing that will favor you, that will help you grab so much from the market in terms of profit, is for you to trade the trend. Is for you to what? Trade the trend. Do not short the market. All you need to be doing is to be buying. Is to be what? Buying. At this point, you buy. At this point, you buy. At this point, you buy. You maximize your profit. Because why? Price is in an uptrend. That is why we say the trend is always your friend. Trade in the direction of the trend. Do not trade against the trend. So, guys, but right now, BTC is doing something. Okay. It seems that the uptrend, BTC uptrend is about dying away. This uptrend in this moment in time is about dying away. You cannot see that BTC is form of consolidating, creating a range. So the market can either move in an uptrend like this, like this, like this, or it will go in a downtrend like this, like this, like this, like this. This is a downtrend. I'll also give you an example. So, either ways the market is going, always trade in the direction of the trend. Look for an entry opportunity in the direction of the trend. So, right now, what is the direction of BTC right now? Right now, you can see that BTC is doing what we call consolidation and forming a range. Can you see? But if you look at the range, you will observe that the range is already telling you that BTC is changing trend. Is making a higher low, lower high, higher low, lower high. Are you seeing it? That is an indication of a bearish trend. Higher low, lower highs, higher low, lower highs. So that means this market structure that was created here, price would never come back to it. The next market structure that was created here, price will never come back to it. So if you are to take a bearish trend, you want to stay on the bearish trend, which is what is likely happening right now, because price is already creating a lower high. Is already creating a lower high. So some persons are saying BTC wants to rebounce. For me, BTC would only rebounce if price stay above this market structure. If price should stay above this market structure, then price will come back and retest this resistance. If it retest and break, then BTC will go up. That means the trend reversal was not complete. That means the trend reversal is not happening. But we have to watch and see what the market does. So that's why I told you, if BTC is going to go back into an uptrend, it has to break this market structure right here that dished out this that break out this market structure. This origin right here broke this market structure, giving us a new market structure. So price has to come back and break this structure and stay above it. Price should close above it, above this resistance. If that happens, then price will go up to retest 111. If it breaks it and stay above it, then BTC will make a new all-time high. So that is why I told you we just have to wait and see what the market plays out. We cannot quickly jump into a conclusion that BTC is rebouncing because it hasn't broken the market structure that gave it has not broken the last market structure that created this change of character. It has not broken it yet. So we'll keep our fingers crossed and look and watch out what the market will do. Let me tell you about the other kind of trade. Now, this was in an uptrend. Eh? Everyone who knew the market was to be buying and buying and buying all the time. Now, that's why we say the market is always a trend. But this was a bearish trend. So the only thing you should be doing is looking for a selling opportunity until you now saw this double bottom. This is what called double bottom. BTC standing with its two leg, telling you this support, I go nowhere. So BTC created double bottom. Okay, that was a signal for a trend reversal. I'll get in it, guys. So this is how you do it. Most of the time, some people do say they you is not advisable to trade the range. Yes, it's true, but some people still do trade the range. Some do trade. For those who want to always get something out of the market, they trade the range. Whenever price touches back the range, they sell. Whenever price touches the lower support, they buy. So they just trade the range like this. Eh, But we have different type of traders. We have the breakout traders, which very likely I trade breakouts and the trend. When the trend is reversing, I quickly take the new direction of the trend. Once the trend reversal is confirmed, I take the new direction. Like we are waiting now for this trend reversal to be fully confirmed. For me, it is much more than 90% confirmed. So we're waiting for price to come back and make a new low, to find support around there. That is a good confirmation that BTC um, has really made a change of trend. Okay, so let's keep our fingers crossed and let's see what the market plays out. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Please like the video, follow me on my Facebook, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Leverage SFS Academy, on my TikTok, Instagram, Leverage SFS Academy. Follow me on all my handles. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one.